how would you handle, a downturn in stocks? What would your next steps be to make sure that you're staying profitable?
I would like to field this question to our VP of Sales, Alex.
Impact Design Company is working on building its brand identity. So if in the event that the market fluctuates and it proves volatile, with using our brand identity, we hope to move into other marketplaces.
As far as manufacturing goes, were you planning on domestic or international? Were you going to use China? Were you going to be Indonesia or LA?
Our production currently is internationally, and our hope for the future would be to bring it back here to the United States to be domestic, but as of right now, it is international.
Do you also have a plan in place for if something should occur, such as a terrorist attack?
Yes, we have plans in place to do that. I know currently there's a strike in the Port of LA, and that's caused distribution troubles in retail, and that is something we have in place in our business plan, that if something like that were to happen, we'd react appropriately.
Where do you guys think you're going to make most of your sales? You have a pretty aggressive growth and revenue strategy or expectation, but to sell several thousand socks a month, at least several thousand, I think you said more. How do you really expect that to be viable in this economy and in this environment of virtual enterprise?
I would like to field this question to Kevin, our VP of Marketing.
So obviously everyone uses social media today, but also using socks, we can keep constantly coming out with new designs and new themes, holidays, seasonal, just to keep our market going, and it's never static, it's always dynamic.
And I would like to add on that point, we projected that 10% of our sales are going to come from cash sales, so through our website or through the trade fair shows, and the remaining 90 would be through contractual sales, so that is where that high projection goes.
So I actually read your business plan, and I think I'm a little bit stuck on the 90% of your entire revenue projection coming from virtual enterprise. How does that work? I know actually how it works, but at some point, at what point do you see that you're going to be able to move away from virtual enterprise contracts and move more towards real world sales, or the environment that is virtual enterprise outside of the contracts?
We plan to make other contracts with other companies rather than just virtual enterprise. So we'd be making contracts with large corporations that can sell our socks, and we just sell it to them at a wholesale price. However, a virtual enterprise is the only one that we have currently, as we are a startup business. However, we have made one other contract, and we plan to expand on that in the future.
One more. Right now, I think somewhere in your presentation you mentioned that the socks were made entirely of a certain type of material. How strong of a relationship do you have with that supplier? And do you only have one supplier, or do you have a couple of suppliers?
I would like to field this question to the VP of Sales, Alex.
I think I mentioned that we have an environmentally friendly alternative, such as 100% bamboo socks, but our primary material is cotton. And we have several suppliers in international countries that we work with to supply these materials. And we have different types of materials too.